One of the most spectacular ornamental grasses that we grow is looking really great today. This is Arundo donax Peppermint Stick. It's an amazing, it's a European native grass that is just, it looks pretty incredible. Now you need a big space for this, because this is easily 12 feet tall and that's probably 20 foot wide now. So you don't want to put this in a small area, but if you got a neighbor that's got some junky cars or a tool shed that looks like crap, this is your plant. Now it is deciduous, it drops its leaves in the fall. Think of this as a variegated corn on steroids, except it's perennial. But really an amazing plant. This is not even in flower yet. It'll be flowering in another month, and it has beautiful purple pink plumes atop the foliage, which is quite incredible. The species itself has been used for years to make something many of us know. This is used to make the reeds for wind instruments. So if you've ever played the clarinet, your reed probably came from an Arundo donax. It's an amazing grass. Now sadly, I see this grass on a few invasive species lists made by people who don't know what invasive species actually are. For a species to be invasive, number one, it has to seed all around and invade functioning, naturally occurring ecosystems. Number one, this plant is sterile. It couldn't produce a viable seed if it needed to. Number two, it cannot run. That is one plant. This is probably now over a decade old. It makes a big clump, but it does not run. So forget what you read. You got to be very careful with those lists. This is not invasive. It is big in the garden. Now the most common clones are a variegated one that turns green in the summer called Versicolor. And up until about 15 years ago, that was all we had. And this one was brought in from the UK. Peppermint Stick is absolutely amazing. If you've got enough room, and again, you really want to screen off something, pretty darn amazing plant, and I hope you'll give this a try. Moisture, it really likes full sun to shine. It will grow in as a marginal aquatic. Here we have it growing in bone dry, gravelly soil at the edge of our parking lot. So it has a wide range. As long as you don't put it in shade, you're going to be very happy with it. I hope you'll give this wonderful plant a try.